Moving on to the sixth question. In each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? A. 2 and 9. B. minus 3 and minus 8. C. 0 and minus 1. D. minus 11 and 10. E. minus 6 and 6. And F. 1 and minus 100. Take down the A bit. 2 and 9. In the question, it is mentioned that we should find which number is to the right of the other on the number line. For this, we use a number line. On the number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on, plus 8, plus 9. On the left side of 0 are minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Mark the given integers 2 and 9 on the number line. By observing this number line, we can see that 9 is the right side of plus 2. So, for the given question 2 and 9 is to the right of 2. Therefore, 9 is to the right of plus 2. Next, take down the B bit, minus 3 and minus 8. To write which number is to the right of the other on this number line, first we will draw a number line. On this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are positive values like plus 1, plus 2 and so on. Left side of 0 are in negative integers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and so on. First, we will mark minus 3 and minus 8 on the number line. By observing this number line, we will see that minus 3 is to the right side of minus 8. So, for the given values minus 3 and minus 8, minus 3 is to the right of minus 8. So, the answer is minus 3 is to the right of minus 8. Take down the C bit 0 and minus 1. To know 0 is to the right side of minus 1 or minus 1 is to the right side of 0, we will use number line. On this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are plus 1, plus 2 and so on. Left side of 0 are minus 1, minus 2 and so on. First, we will mark given integers 0 and minus 1 on this number line. 0 and minus 1. By observing this number line, 0 is to the right side of minus 1. Therefore, for given integers 0 and minus 1, 0 is to the right of minus 1. Similarly, take down the D bit, minus 11 and 10. To know which integer is to the right of the other, we will use number line. On this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are plus 1, plus 2 and so on. Left side of 0 are negative integers minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Minus 9, minus 10, minus 11 and so on. On the right side of 0, plus 3, plus 4 and so on, plus 10. First, we will mark given integers minus 11 and plus 10 on this number line. Minus 11 and plus 10. By observing this number line, plus 10 is to the right side of minus 11. So, for the given integers minus 11 and 10, 10 is to the right side of minus 11. Take down the e-bit minus 6 and 6. To know which integer is to the right of other, we will use number line. On this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are positive integers. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and so on. Left side of 0 are negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. First, we will mark the given integers minus 6 and 6 on this number line. Minus 6 and plus 6. By looking this number line, we can say that plus 6 is to the right of minus 6. Hence, for the given integers minus 6 and plus 6 is to the right of minus 6. Similarly, write down the f-bit 1 and minus 100. By using number line, we will find that which integer is to the right of other. On this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are positive integers. Plus 1, plus 2 and so on. Left side of 0 are negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Minus 99, minus 100, minus 1 at 1 and so on. First, we will mark minus 100 and 1 on this number line. Here we can see that plus 1 is to the right of minus 100. So, for the given integers 1 and minus 100, 1 is to the right of minus 100. Moving on to the 7th question. Write all the integers between the given pairs and write them in the increasing order. A. 0 and minus 7. B. minus 4 and 4. C. minus 8 and minus 15. And D. minus 30 and minus 23. Coming to the solution, take down a bit. To write integers between 0 and minus 7, we will use a number line. In this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are positive integers, plus 1, plus 2 and so on. Left side of 0 are negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. To write integers between 0 and minus 7, mark the given integers, that is 0 and minus 7 on number line. To write integers between minus 7 and 0 in increasing order, we know that as we move right direction on a number line, numbers are in increasing order. So, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 are the integers between minus 7 and 0, and these are in increasing order. Hence, integers between 0 and minus 7 are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Take down the b bit minus 4 and 4. To write integers between minus 4 and 4, we will draw a number line. We know that in the number line 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 contains positive values plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and so on. Left side of 0 contains -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. First, we will mark -4 and 4 on this number line. By observing this number line, we can say that there are 7 integers between -4 and 4. They are -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and +3. We know that on moving right direction on a number line, numbers are in increasing order. So, the integers between -4 and 4 are -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3 and these are in increasing order. Moving on to the C bit, -8 and -15. To write integers between -8 and -15, we will use a number line. A number line is taken as like this. 0 is middle value. Right side of 0 has +1, +2 and so on. Left side of 0 has -1, -2 and so on. -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15 and so on. To write integers between -8 and -15, first we will mark -15 and -8 on this number line. By observing this number line, we can say that there are 6 integers between -8 and -15. We know that on a number line, as we move in right direction, numbers are in increasing order. So, integers between -8 and -15 are -14, -13, -12, -11, -10 and -9, and these integers are in increasing order. Take down the D bit, -30 and -23. To write integers between -30 and -23, we will use a number line. In this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are positive values, +1, +2 and so on. Left side of 0 are -1, -2 and so on. -23, -24, -25, -26, -27, -28, -29, -30 and so on. To write integers between -30 and -23, we will mark these integers on a number line, -30 and -23. By observing this number line, we can say that there are 6 integers between -23 and -30. They are -29, -28, -27, -26, -25 and -24. We know that as we move in right direction on a number line, numbers are in increasing order. Hence, the integers between -30 and -23 are -29, -28, -27, -26, -25 and -24, and these integers are in increasing order. Moving on to the 8th question. A. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20. B. Write 4 negative integers less than -10. Take down the A bit. Coming to the solution, we should write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. By using number line, we can write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Let us draw a number line. In this number line, 0 is the middle value. As we move in the right direction, we can see all the positive integers, +1, +2 and so on. In the right direction, all the integers have positive sign. As we move in the left direction, we can see negative integers, -1, -2 and so on. -16, -17, -18, -19, -20 and so on. In the left direction, all the integers have negative sign. As we move in the right direction on the number line, numbers are in the increasing order. Consider negative integers from -20 to -1. As we move in the right direction, numbers are in the increasing order. All values are greater than -20 or in the right direction. So we can write any 4 negative integers from -19 to -1. Here we are writing 4 negative integers greater than -20 are -19, -18, -17 and -16. Moving to the B bit, write 4 negative integers less than -10. Coming to the solution, to write 4 negative integers less than -10, we will use a number line. Draw a number line in which 0 is the middle value. On the right side of 0, all the integers are in the positive sign. In the right side of 0, all the values have positive sign. In the left side of 0, all the integers have negative sign. -1, -2 and so on. -10, -11. As we move left to right direction on a number line, all the integers are in increasing order. If we move right to left direction, numbers are in decreasing order. First we will mark -10 on a number line. All the numbers which are left side of -10, all the numbers which are left side of -10 are less than -10. So we can write any 4 negative integers left side of -10. Here we are writing 4 negative integers less than -10 are -11, -12, -13, -14.